Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you what features work on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 without a phone. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently disconnected from the phone, and firstly we can just swipe left to open Tiles. And at the first page you can see how many steps you had during the day, active time, active calories, and just everything about your activity. And if we just swipe left again, you can start a workout, so just choose whatever you like, and after 3 seconds, the workout will be started immediately. Just like this. Now to end it, just simply swipe right and tap on the finish button. Great! Here you can see the steps and heart rate as well. You can see the weather. You can check the events which is planned for today or for any other day. You can see connected devices here. You can measure your ECG by tapping on the record button. And you can also add your calories during the day. Just tap the enter button. And then by swiping up or down, you'll be able to set calories. And also choose whether it will be dinner or maybe lunch and breakfast and so on. Let's swipe left again, and now we can add some tiles. Just tap the plus, and here you can use any tiles from the list. We can also scroll till the Samsung Health and add blood oxygen, for example, cycle tracking, body composition, and for example stress. You can measure everything without need to use your phone. And also we can swipe up to open all of the new applications, and here we can see many apps, and most of them we can use without a Wi-Fi and without connecting to the phone. For example, Compass. Just tap it to enable, and now rotate your screen to see where you're heading. You can do just the same for the timers. Just tap the start button and the timer will be launched immediately. When you are done, tap stop button, and that's it. You can also see the photos from your gallery. Just scroll to see all of them. Now, what else you can use? You can use voice recorder, for example. Just tap cancel while using app, allow permissions, and then tap next button, and the voice recording will be started immediately, just like this. You can use calendar as well. Just tap it, tap on the plus to add an event, then set the date, the time, and just name your event and confirm by clicking on this check mark. And now you can save it by tapping this option. And here it is. You can use settings and calculator as well. And here is the calculator. Just tap it, and now you can use it without your phone. And let's open settings now. So here you can do anything you like. You can change the brightness in the display tab, for example, just by dragging this slider, and enable or disable some of the features. But if you'll just turn on the Wi-Fi, you'll be able to use even more features without connecting to the phone. Just tap on the Wi-Fi and tap on the switcher to enable it. And after this, select a network to which you want to connect. And that's it. Now you can use almost all functions on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 without need to connect to the phone. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.